Welcome. If you've been getting random or unnecessary alerts from Snapchat and it's starting to feel overwhelming, you're not alone. One of the biggest culprits is something called miscellaneous notifications. The good news is you can turn these off in just a few simple steps, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where all your app controls live, so once you're there, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a full list of everything installed on your device. Next, look for Snapchat in that list. You can scroll manually or use the search bar if your phone has one. Once you find Snapchat, tap on it to open its app settings. Now you'll see several options related to the app. What you want to tap on is Notifications. This section controls everything about how Snapchat sends alerts to your phone. Inside Notifications, look for an option called Notification Categories. Not every phone labels it exactly the same, but it should be very similar. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of different types of notifications Snapchat can send. Scroll through until you find Miscellaneous. This category often includes those vague, non-essential alerts that don't really add much value. Once you see it, simply toggle it off. That's it. You've just stopped those extra notifications from cluttering your phone. If you still feel like you're getting too many alerts, you can always come back to this same section and fine-tune other categories as well. Customizing your notifications helps keep your phone quieter and more focused on what actually matters to you.